Hello, I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa, and Michigan's weather is wild and the snowfall is really wild. Michigan has the most variable snowfall of any state in the country east of the Rockies. Look at the snowbelts. Michigan has 4 of them, I figure, and look at the UP snowbelt. Look at the Keweenaw Peninsula, 150 inches of snow average per year. Atlanta, Georgia, 3 inches of snow average per year. It would take 50 years for Atlanta to get the same amount of snow as a normal winter in the UP. Northwest lower, you get the winds off of Lake Superior, across the UP, across northern Lake Michigan, and you get heavy snowfall over 100 inches a year also in some spots. Far southwest lower, you have a snow belt, not as heavy, but it's very concentrated and the snow can come down real heavy depending on the wind direction. And finally, a 4th snow belt, kind of a hidden snow belt on the eastern part of Michigan's thumb. North winds, 5 to 10 times a year, will bring heavy bands of lake effect in just along the shoreline, and as you go westward toward the Saginaw Valley, no snow at all. So if you're going to be traveling around Michigan, you better know your snow belts, and you might want to try to avoid them at times.